Guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Val if you are new to my channel, and today is relaxer day. Yep, or should I say relaxer night. I'm relaxing my hair at night and I'm excited about it because I just get to use all my faves, all the stuff that I absolutely love. Here is my relaxer lineup, so let's get straight into it. Okay, so it's 8:30 at night and I just finished doing my pre-part twist on my right side using my DAX and my porosity control. You guys know I love this stuff. So I always pre-part and twist my hair to prep for my relaxer. This is the best method for me in terms of self-relaxing at home. It really helps me to just navigate through my hair quickly. The DAX and the porosity control create like a barrier over my hair, preventing any kind of overlap or over processing from the relaxer. I've been doing this for years, and I swear by it, it works like a charm for me. It does take some time. It is a bit time consuming, but to me, it's just well worth it. Not only are you protecting your hair from the relaxer runoff, using the porosity control and the DAX, but you're also pre-parting your hair so that you can navigate through the relaxer application quickly. So I'm ending my relaxer stretch at 13 weeks post-relaxer. I typically don't go this long. Usually I like to relax between the 10 to 12 week mark. That's just like my happy place. But I had to extend it a little bit just so that my next relaxer is around the time frame that I'm trying to relax my hair again, if that makes sense. But this relaxer stretch went really, really well. I was so happy with the quality of my new growth. And you guys know that I'm currently on the road to recovery. I do have some over-processed areas in my hair that I'm trying to repair. So yeah, that's what I'm all about. Just being consistent, being diligent, obviously patient during this process. And of course, using products that I absolutely love and just sticking to my routine. So I'm done and the twists are in. I'm just waiting for my sister to come and do the back. And of course, you gotta have snacks. So we're using the OG, you guys. ORS olive oil relaxer normal strength lye is back in the mix. It's back in my regimen and I'm extremely happy about it. Okay, so 25 minutes on the clock as usual, and it's 9:13 p.m. Why did I relax my hair this late? I don't know, but it happens, and I just love the fact that my sister is available whenever I need her. She is that girl. So typically I would use Vaseline to kind of protect my skin, my ears, and nape, but I can't find it, so DAX is the next best option. And I'm using that all around just to protect my skin. So we have 15 minutes remaining, and that's typically when I like to start the front of my hair. The front of my hair processes a lot faster than the back. So we always start off with doing the back first because it does take the longest to process. It is coarser than the front. And then maybe about 15-16 minutes remaining into our application time, I start the front because it does process pretty quickly. All right, so it's about 10:20 p.m. I just finished neutralizing my hair, doing the 5-5-10 rule, you guys already know, and I'm just trying to detangle it as much as I can before I move into my bond treatments. So I'm really excited about this part because this is like probably the best part of relaxer day for me at least. So I removed the Cream of Nature bond mender from my regimen. The ingredients did change. I don't really see the benefit in the bond mender anymore because of the ingredients. So I just decided, you know what, let me use the Olaplex number 0 and the number 3 together on relaxer day to get the most benefits out of my bond treatment. So for me, using the two together versus just the number 3 is a lot better. And not only that, but the number 0 and the number 3 are designed to work together. So having the two Olaplex bond treatments on relaxer day is just chef's kiss. So right now my hair feels really, really good. I'm able to detangle it with my fingers. It feels soft, it feels smooth, it's very slippy. So I love that right now. I'm gonna apply this, leave it on for about 10 minutes, and then I'm gonna apply the number 3 on top. Okay, so right now my hair feels like super duper smooth and I just love it. It's an addictive feeling. I love feeling that on relaxer day. So now we're gonna move right into applying the number 3, because this goes right on top of the number 0. You don't rinse out the 0 after the 10 minutes is up. You go straight from 0 to number 3. So you leave these on for a total of 20 minutes on your hair right after neutralizing. That's what I like to do. And then after this, obviously you can shampoo, but applying the number 3 is just amazing. Everything just works together perfectly. And yeah, this is just part of my bond treatment on relaxer day. So I'm gonna apply this thoroughly in sections from roots to tip, of course, but I'm just noticing this and my glasses are looking gray. They look gray and it's driving me nuts because I have to wash my glasses, you guys, after I relax my hair, because when I apply the relaxer gets around the ear area, and that's fine. But I thoroughly wash it, like I neutralize my glasses, and it tends to turn this grayish color, and it's driving me nuts. So just ignore it, pretend it's not there. Let's just carry on as usual. Okay, so it's about 11:30 p.m. right now. It's getting pretty late, and I just finished rinsing out the bond treatments out of my hair, so the number 0 and the number 3 from Olaplex. So I shampooed that out with my As I Am Long and Luxe shampoo, which is sulfate-free, extremely moisturizing, and slippy. It does have a protein in it, but hey, we need all the protein we can get on relaxer day. So to deep condition, I'm using my Joyco Moisture Recovery Balm treatment. Love this, hands down the best, and it has a mixture of both moisture and protein. My hair loves this stuff. All right, so it's about 8 o'clock in the morning and I air dried overnight using my leave-ins. So I use the Cream of Nature Moisture Recovery leave-in, and then I sealed that in with my OGX Argan Oil Serum. Love that stuff. And then I topped it off with my Tresemme Keratin Smooth Heat Protectant because I'm gonna flat iron my hair. But based on how my hair feels and looks, I think I was a bit too heavy-handed with my leave-ins. So it is feeling a bit weighed down, but it's all good. It happens. So I'm gonna continue to flat iron my hair in sections because I do have an appointment later to trim my ends. And as I mentioned before, I'm on a rigorous trimming schedule. I really wanna get rid of any thinning areas in my hair. So let me continue to flat iron and you guys will see the finished look. All right, you guys, so relaxer day has officially come to an end, and here are my results. I'm really happy with the way it turned out. My hair feels good, it looks good, and you guys know I've been battling with over-processed hair, so I've been really consistent with deep conditioning and shampooing and clarifying and moisturizing and sealing and making sure that my protein balance is on point. So it's definitely been a journey, but I'm really happy with the progress I've made so far. And I know it may not seem like I need a trim, but your girl's gonna get a trim. Right now, length is not really a priority of mine. I know the trims are working and my hair looks pretty good, but we're gonna get that trim. So if you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to give me a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe, of course, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.